How's it going, guys? My name is Tavarish, and today I wish I had some better news for you because my McLaren project, my most ambitious build, is sort of on hold because of some issues I think I should share with you. Now, before I get into all of that, I should tell you that when I first got this car, I knew it was going to be a big project. And this project is one of the, actually, I think it's the most expensive project I've ever had. Just to give you an idea of how expensive, the first shipment of parts that I bought for this car from Hybrid Performance in UK, that cost around $30,000. I then spent another $4,000 to $5,000 on eBay on miscellaneous parts just to get all the body panels, all the crashed bits and pieces that I needed. When I started taking it apart and taking out the engine, I realized I needed way more parts. So I had to order another shipment from Hybrid Performance in the UK, and that was another $16,000. Now, I put that order in 1 month ago, and I haven't gotten that shipment yet, and it's not the fault of Hybrid. Actually, the guy at Hybrid, Zach, he was amazing. He's been helping me throughout this entire build the entire way, so I really have to thank him. But the reason why I don't have my parts is because of my bank. Now, if you guys follow me on Twitter, then you'll know that I wrote a few tweets to Bank of America saying that I'm at the end of my rope. I don't know what to do. Let me explain to you what happened. So I sent over a wire in the amount of $16,000 and change. It's a lot of money for, well, it's a lot of parts that I needed. That would basically finish off most of the parts to get this back together and potentially on the road. Now, I sent that over in the beginning of June, and Zach still hasn't got it. I haven't been able to trace that money. Basically, that money is gone. I don't know where it is. Every time I call the bank, and I've called them multiple times, and every time I call, it's an hour plus wait. They say, well, we don't know where it is. We're going to trace it. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. And I always get the, oh, call back in 3 or 4 days. And every time I call back, I have to explain the situation again. And they don't know where it is. So right now, I'm in a place where I'm out $16,000. I have to buy parts. And even if I buy parts right now and pay another 16 grand, which means I'm out $30,000, which is just insane, that means that I'm not going to get my parts for another few weeks, which puts this build basically on the back burner until then. So I don't know what to do, guys. I'm very I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed in myself that I let it get this far. I should have complained sooner, but I just felt that, well, it'll go on its own. It'll get there. Maybe it's a COVID thing. Maybe it's, the bank with their extra security measures or something. But yeah, 3 weeks later, nobody knows where the money is, and it is a lot of money, and I just don't know what I can do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to order the parts again. Zach has the parts already ready to ship, so I have to pay for them. So I'm basically just gonna make myself go broke to get this thing finished. But until those parts get here, we're not going to be able to do anything on this car to get new parts on there. Now, we will have more episodes on this car coming up soon. I'm going to try to get as many done as I can, just taking it apart, maybe putting some paint on it, maybe doing some repairs, putting the rear subframe on, all that stuff. But like the big milestones, those have to wait. So I think that's going to be it. I'm really sorry that it had to come to this, and if you guys are disappointed, I apologize, but that is how these things work. If you are a banker or know anybody in Bank of America or know anything about wire transfers, then feel free to email me and tell me what I should do. I mean, there's people telling me that I should pursue legal action. Legal action costs money and time, both of which I don't really have right now. So I just want either my money back or for the money to get there. That's all I want. It's very, very simple. I don't need to do scorched earth or like try to kill this company or something. It doesn't matter. But for now, I'm really excited to get back to work on this. Jared's over there already. We're gonna work on the next episode now, but yeah, I'm very very sorry, guys, and hopefully I get this resolved quickly. And now you guys know, and we're all on the same page. So I'll see you again, possibly tomorrow. Yeah, probably tomorrow. All right, see you guys.